Yes, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to InfoBairy YouTube channel with a new hack of ChatGPT. And as you know, we have discussed in our previous lecture that how to use ChatGPT and what is the cheat sheet of ChatGPT. If you didn't watch that video, you can go on my channel and watch that video. I will also put the link in the description. You can also check that out. And today we are going to check the example using that ChatGPT cheat sheet. So let's go. So as we discussed in the last video of ChatGPT part 1, uh, ChatGPT cheat sheet. So we derive the formula from that chat sheet is what will we include in the formula is first we have the role. First we have to given the role to ChatGPT how to act. Then we have defined the goal, what we want. Then, if we have any restriction, if you want to set any restrictions, then and the fourth one is define the format. Set restriction is not mandatory, but all other three are mandatory. If you want a precise answer, you must set the restrictions. What are the restrictions we have already defined in the last video? If you want to check the restrictions, what are the restrictions we have to give the ChatGPT to to get the best and precise result? You have to check my last video on ChatGPT. The link is given in the description. So this is the whole formula we have. If you want a precise answer, precise and actual answer, necessary answer from ChatGPT. So we will apply this on ChatGPT with a real example, and we will check how the ChatGPT will give us the result. And please watch the whole video if you want to check that whole process. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe InfoBairy. So start with the ChatGPT. You have to write on Google chatgpt.com, and then this will be the your screen. Now you have to start with the first one was as a role. Give us the role. So we are in our example we are going to act as a writer. So you have to give a role as that I am a writer, I am a blog writer. This is the first one. You the role. Then what will be your goal? Define the goal. So we will define our goal is to write a blog post of 1,000 words. This is our goal. Then if we want to set any restrictions, we will give that restrictions to ChatGPT. I will give restriction as use simple language and use scientific sources, because we are going to write a blog post, and if someone want to clarify its content, it will go through those sources. Then the third one is that third we have given the restriction. Then the last one is we have to define the format. The format is we want the blog post as be professional, and answer should be in, we want five paragraphs. So now you can see that we got the whole formula of ChatGPT, and now we will process the. So we will give this formula to ChatGPT, and we get the result. So let's see what will be the results. So you can see that ChatGPT is generating our result, and it's very simple as we say that use simple language and use scientific resources. So we can check this is simple language. We can see that it's a simple language, and where's the yeah be professional and should be in 5 paragraph. And so this is not something like scientific, so it will not given the sources. And we can check answer should be in 5 paragraphs. So one, two, three, four, and five. This is 5 paragraphs. First with the starting with the intro, then the content, and last with the conclusion. So this is a formula. We can get the best result from any AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini. We can talk about Gemini in later, but now we can see that this formula is good for giving commands to ChatGPT. You can also apply your different things. Like I given the blog writer command to this ChatGPT. You can give as a what are your problems, like you are accountant, you are some script writer. You can give those commands as you required. Keep watching InfoBairy for more hacks.